introduce myself. My name is Firlinda Puspaningrum.
Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Warna Maulia.
And my name is Muhammad Turmiawan.
Here we will present the articles that we have compared.
The theme because in this article is that of human psychology and learning difficulties in children.
Basically, all parents want their children to grow up to be good, intelligent, obedient, and skilled children. However, as an educated parent, it can be difficult to teach their children at home. And that is what parents everywhere are experiencing. The aims of their research are 1. To know the role of parents in children's education.
2. To know the role of parents in providing reading and writing skills.
3. To find out the obstacles of experienced by parents in overcoming learning difficulties experienced by children. Learning difficulties are disorder of basic psychological process that can interfere with understanding and intellectuality in individuals, and parents play an important and responsible role in family education and the future of their children as a form of parental support for children. So that in fact parental support will affect learning difficulties, children do not have learning difficulties.
Material discussion. The title because in this article is parent lack of attention to human psychology disorder to children's learning difficulties. Educational psychology in the system. Study of the process and factor associated with education. This psychology will examine the flow of human thought and the reason behind the action that human takes. Not surprisingly, psychology is often used to solve problems. In addition, this knowledge can also be used to find the right solution in a variety of complex human activities. As for the health side, usually psychology problems related to personality can arise as a result of certain disease condition, and vice versa. A number of human behavior can also affect their health. For that, it is important for you to understand more deeply about psychology. The goal is to achieve a prosperous life and overall mental health. There is a very strong relation between educational psychology and action learning. Therefore, it is not surprising that some educational psychologists say that the main field of study in educational psychology is learning. In other words, educational psychology focuses on issues related to process and factors related to the act of learning.
Learning difficulties are the common problem that often occurs in children in school, with different types and levels of difficulty. According to Derek Wood in his book, it is explained that learning difficulties affect many aspects of life, can affect a person for a long time.
In general, the main factors causing children's learning difficulties are internal factors coming from the child himself and external factors originating from outside the child. However, the cause of the emergence of learning difficulties in children or students is not necessarily due to a low level of intelligence. Currently, the number of children who have learning difficulties is increasing. Various kinds of learning difficulties are also increasingly diverse when viewed from the perspective of psychology. But educational psychology, the only and general, but my goodness, there are still many parents who don't understand about this. Therefore, this time, the types of difficulties will be presented scientifically according to the word of educational psychology.
Discuss. Okay, next. After we explain about the problem from this article, conclusion, we discuss that
learning difficulties are a group of disorders to make a person, especially children, have difficult reading, counting, focusing on lesson, or coordinating body movements. Learning disabilities actually appear early on, but are usually only detected when children enter school age, because at this age, it will be seen that your little one is slower to absorb information or lesson from their peers. Therefore, it is important for parents to understand what the definition of learning difficulties is.
being a good parent is a decision that most of us want to achieve. The role of parents during a child's early years is one of the biggest influence in shaping a child's personality. How parents engage in relation with their children directly affect their child's development when children grow up. It is the responsibility of parents to provide children with an environment that can help children grow into mature, sensitive, and confident adults. It is often said that many parents go to extreme to either be overly affectionate or overly disciplined.
However, the excessive role of parents in child psychology will make children suffer and may lose self-confidence as a result. Loss of self-confidence will lead to lack of self-confidence, and in the future, the child might not be able to face life's challenge successfully. Parenting will only be successfully when the child learns to face life's focus challenge calmly and learns to move on with life when the problem is over. Then conclusion of this article are
Difficulty in learning or learning is something that is often encountered by educators, especially teachers, to deal with the problem of learning difficulties. It can be done through special and intensive and integrated media handling media between educator, student, and parent at home. Because after all, some children spend their time at home rather than at school under parental supervision.
In this case, educators, namely teachers at school and parents at home, are required to really understand the types or problems faced by children or students. By understanding the type of problem, it is hoped that educators will be able to provide a solution to problem in question. But the importance of the role of parents in the psychological development of children or on children's learning difficulties, because parents are the main madrasah of a child, namely parents who are actually the main word for the development of the child's learning process. It is parents who must understand the psychology of children, how to overcome them so that problems do not occur in children's learning, and now how to heal if children have already experienced psychological disorders in the brain working system, which have an impact on learning difficulties in children.
explanation about the articles we have. If there are errors, syntax, or explanation, we sorry highly. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sekian.
Thank you.